Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Volvo V70 2011. So from any screen, if you go to telephone, it's searching for the last connected phone, but I've deleted it from my mobile. So we'll just wait for it to settle. No phone connected. Connect with OK. Click OK. And now it's showing you the phones that are there. So if you turn the rotary control to highlight the phone you want to delete, and once it's on there, there's OK at the top, and then there's the red at the bottom. Once you press the red, it brings up another menu, and then you navigate down to remove Bluetooth audio device, and you can either remove all or just the one. Click OK. Do you want to remove barriers? Yeah, I've gone through all this palaver because I don't want to remove it. So that's it. That's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2011 Volvo V70. The first thing you do is make sure that Bluetooth is on, and then you're watching out for a phone at the bottom here. From any screen on the system, click telephone. It's actually searching for the last phone, which is mine, otherwise it wouldn't know. Right, searching for previously connected phones. Well, I've deleted it, so it's not going to show anything up there. No phones connected. Connect with OK. Connect. Add phone. Search for devices with OK. OK. So watching out. It's a little bit complicated. It won't be as bad for you because you won't have just deleted your phone off the system to show somebody else how it works. There you go. Add device. It's showing my phone. So if I click OK there, the green bit at the top, enter following passcode in mobile phone 7892. So 7892 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Let's see where it's coming up. My Volvo car not connected yet. Successfully paired on the system and successfully paired on the phone now. That's that done. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your iPhone or whatever phone you've got to the Bluetooth system in this Volvo V70. So first of all, we go to iTunes. You see at the bottom there my Volvo car there. If you touch if you get it right when you've not got big fingers like me, there you go. That's the three circles there and the silver triangle. iPhone, my Volvo car. So there's a tick next to my Volvo car. So if we go back to this, we'll turn it down. Any audio that's playing on your phone will now play, subject to setting it up correctly on the system, will now play through your speakers. So over we go to media, and that gives you the choices that you can actually have. This is set to USB at the moment, so it's not going to play. We'll click play, go over here, click media again, and then we turn the rotary control till we get to Bluetooth and click the OK at the top, and that's it playing. When I turn this up, I'll turn it up here, and I'll turn it up here, you'll hear it play. There you go. That's it playing through the system. That's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2011 Volvo V70. So from any screen, we go over to nav, click on nav, and you've got the screen there with a map, but not a whole lot else you can see. Over to the circular control on the right hand side and click OK. That brings up either voice guidance or set destination. So we'll click on set destination, click OK, and you've got address, point of interest, previous destination. So on address, highlighted, and then here we go, you've got area, United Kingdom, city, street. So we'll go to city, and then we've got this again, this circular control here, and we just wind it down to postcode, click postcode, and then here we go. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, and then it's trying to fill it in automatically for me, PR. It's gone to numbers, so we'll just select numbers, PR5, PR54. Okay, so that's the postcode. Then we've got to put the street in. Select the street, and it'll start to fill it in as we're on Chorley Road. Chorley. The list is getting narrower and narrower there. You can see Chorley Road there, so navigate down to Chorley Road and click OK. Chorley Road, and then I can select a number. It's a bit of an old-fashioned sat nav, to be fair, and you probably use your phone these days, but it's there if you get stuck. Number 6, and then let's say 61. What have we got? Oops. Okay. That's it. That's the one. Start guidance is at the top. Click OK. That's it done. Long-winded system, but like with anything with Volvo, you get there in the end safely. Thanks for watching.